Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets and give you some practical examples so you can start using it in your own spreadsheets. VLOOKUP is a powerful function that searches for a value in one column and returns a corresponding value from another column. Let's start with the basic example. Suppose you want to look up a value from a different sheet. You start your formula like this. This formula searches for the value in cell A2 in the range A2 to A13 on sheet 4 and returns the matching value from the second column of that range. If your sheet name has spaces or special characters, enclose it in single quotes like this. A handy tip. Instead of typing the sheet reference manually, you can type your formula and then click on the lookup sheet and select the range with your mouse. Google Sheets will insert the correct reference automatically. To make it absolute, use the $sign before the column letter and row number, or press F4. You can also use VLOOKUP with wildcard characters if you don't know the entire lookup value. Use a question mark to match a single character, or an asterisk to match a sequence of characters. For example, equals VLOOKUP A asterisk $A2 to $C13, comma 2, comma false, will find any value starting with A. You can also reference a cell and concatenate the asterisk, like equals VLOOKUP $F1 and asterisk $A2 to $C13, comma 2, comma false, to make your formula more flexible. One limitation of VLOOKUP is that it can't look to the left. If your lookup column isn't the first column, VLOOKUP will fail. In that case, you can use index and match. For example, equals index $F3 to $F14, comma match A3, comma $G3 to $G14, comma 0. We'll look up A3 in column G and return the corresponding value from column F. Index and match are also safer if you make structural changes to your table, like inserting or deleting columns. If you need a case-sensitive lookup, combine index and match with the exact function and wrap it in an array formula. This will correctly distinguish between uppercase and lowercase values, like A-1001 and lowercase a-1001. VLOOKUP is one of the most common lookup functions, but remember that index and match provide more flexibility and safety in many situations. And that's how you use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets, including looking up values across sheets using wildcards and performing case-sensitive lookups. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a Google Sheets tip.